Hello, my name's Chelsey Jean and welcome to my lymphatic clinic. Not only do I have my own clinic, I teach other therapists, other people interested in health, how to add lymphatic health, lymphatic treatments to their business. It is a great way to really get your clients moving. It is a nice, easy massage. You just need to follow the sequence and have an understanding of the lymphatic system. So if you'd like to join myself and Tia Brennan in a class, a full day, 1 day class, you can come in person to Capalaba or you can always join us online. It's called our Lymphatics Alive workshop and we would love to have you there.